In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a course in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your course moves from draft to live and ready for students. First, sign into your Teachable account. Use the same login you normally use for your school, and make sure you're in the correct school if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on your admin dashboard, which is home base for everything you'll do as a creator. Next, head to the Courses area. You'll find it in the main navigation on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking Courses brings up a list of all the courses associated with your school. Here you can see each course's status at a glance, including whether it's in draft or already published. Now locate the specific course you want to publish. If you have a long list, take a moment to scan by title or use any search or sorting options available to help you find it quickly. Before you publish, it's a good idea to double check that the essentials are in place. Your curriculum looks complete, your course image and description are accurate, and your pricing and enrollment settings reflect what you want students to see. These details ensure that when your course goes live, it presents professionally and reduces the need for immediate edits. Once you've found your course in the list, look to the right side of that courses row for the triple dot icon, sometimes called the ellipsis or More Options menu. Click that icon to open the Actions menu for this course. This is where Teachable keeps quick actions so you don't have to dig through deeper settings. From the menu that appears, select Publish Course. After you click, Teachable will update the course status from draft to published. Depending on your school's configuration, the course will now be discoverable and available for enrollment based on the visibility and pricing you've already set. If your account requires specific permissions, make sure you have the right role to publish, such as an owner or an admin, so the option is available to you. Give the page a moment to refresh and confirm the status reads Published. If you need to make further edits later, you can always return to your course to adjust content, pricing, or visibility without unpublishing the entire course. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Courses, find your course, open the three-dot menu, and click Publish Course. With those clicks, your course is live and ready for learners. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.